Welcome to the Wanderlust wishlist channel. Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to explore one of the most beautiful and less explored islands of Thailand, Koh Kood. Located in the Trat province, this island is the perfect destination for anyone looking to get away from the hustle and bustle of city life and experience the tranquility of nature. So, let's dive right into it. Firstly, let's talk about how to get to Koh Kood. You can take a flight from Bangkok to Trat Airport and then take a ferry from Lame Sok Pier to Koh Kood. Alternatively, you can take a bus from Bangkok to Trat Bus Terminal and then take a ferry to the island. Now, let's talk about accommodation options. Koh Kood offers a wide range of accommodation options to suit everyone's budget and preferences. From budget-friendly guest houses to luxury villas, you can find it all here. Some popular options include Koh Kood Beach Resort, Suniva Kiri, Shanda Koh Kood, and Peter Pan Resort. Moving on to the activities, Koh Kood offers plenty of opportunities for adventure and relaxation. You can enjoy snorkeling and diving in the crystal clear waters, explore the island on a kayak, hike through the lush rainforest, or simply relax on the beautiful beaches. Speaking of must-do activities, you cannot miss out on the Klong Chau waterfall. It's one of the most beautiful waterfalls in Thailand and a popular spot for swimming and picnicking. Another must-visit place is the Koh Rang National Marine Park, which offers some of the best snorkeling and diving spots in the region. You can also take a boat tour around the island to explore its hidden gems and enjoy the stunning sunset views. Now, let me share some amazing facts about Koh Kood. Did you know that the island is home to some of the most pristine and untouched beaches in Thailand? The island also has a unique ecosystem with several species of flora and fauna that are endemic to the region. Moreover, Koh Kood is one of the few islands in Thailand that is still largely undiscovered by tourists, making it a perfect destination for anyone looking for a quiet and peaceful getaway. So, there you have it, folks. Koh Kood is truly a hidden gem of Thailand that offers a perfect blend of adventure and relaxation. With its stunning beaches, lush rainforests, and unique culture, this island has something to offer for everyone. So, if you're planning a trip to Thailand, don't forget to add Koh Kood to your itinerary. I hope you found this video informative and enjoyable. Thank you for watching. For more such picture-perfect destinations, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram for updates.